YouTube, it's Quentin. Today we're going to do a challenge with my friend Leanna and Michael. The Pancake Art Challenge, Superhero Edition.
Okay guys, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Right.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot. I go first. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Leanna go first.
So Quentin goes first, I go second, and Leanna goes third.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what you get, Quentin.
And I got Wolverine. Wolverine.
Alright guys, I hope I get... I got Wolverine too.
Spin it again. Don't get Wolverine. Captain America.
Alright guys, let's start. Right here. Okay. Alright, good. Listen, we'll see Wolverine.
Now start Wolverine.
Yeah.
Okay, I got Captain America. Now let's do the outline. Good.
I'm not very good at that.
How do I make the A? The big is ours there.
Mine is not looking good, but I don't care.
He's gonna have some good. Oh my god. A black smile.
Right, I know that.
Okay.
That. Completely ruined. I don't care.
This is going bad for me.
Guys, ready to flip?
Yes. Mine is ready. Not yet.
I'm not ready yet.
Always ask an adult to help you. Go. Oh, Yahoo! Yahoo! My Wolverine is the best. You get.
I mean, I gotta say, your movie looks better than mine.
Yeah. These are
Quentin, mine is a big fat slob.
That doesn't even look like Wolverine. That looks green and black.
You show the camera
And
look at it.
It's yellow, black, and blue. Now let's put mine on the plate. That's yellow? Oh. It's green. That's green.
I think I used it.
This one is yellow. What is that? Where are the eyes? That looks like a poop. Michael, where are the eyes at? Michael, that looks like a poop. Where are the eyes? That looks like a stinky poop. Like,
The pancakes are good. They're cooked.
now,
Leanna's not looking too good. Not trying to be mean.
I know. Mine's is looking great and it smells good.
And mine is like the worst.
Yeah, yours is a blob. Mine's need to be a blob of green stuff. Mine's need to be flipped back over. There's a little bit bit of the pancake stuck to the thing. I'm gonna go to round 2.
Alright, Quentin, you go. Spin the wheel.
I wanna get
Wolverine again?
spin over. If we got
Spin again, spin again. What? Venom. Alright, let me spin now. 3, 2, 1. Venom 2.
spin again.
Spin again.
You guys both had the same one in round 2.
Alright, flash. I got flash, guys.
Round 1 today, you know. I got Venom.
Go again. Go again.
Hulk.
I thought you was about to get Catboy. I was gonna get.
Thank God I didn't get.
Alright, guys, let's start.
3, 2,
1. Let's go. Let me look at Flash.
Look at Venom, yeah.
Flash has a big head. No lie.
He does have a big head though. Wait, this looks like yellow.
I need to fill in the whole thing with red.
Mine's
Hopefully mine will look red. Okay, now let me use yellow.
good. Oh, look at
Guys,
it. Look at mine.
Look at Leanna's.
Mine.
That looks like a
started
big
to look
foot. Guys, that looks like a big foot.
Yeah, it does.
Hulk-
That looks like a hand.
I mean, you did half of Hulk. You did his foot. Look, good.
It's his hand. It's supposed to be his face. Get some green in here.
His eyes.
Done. Mine is ready. What are you making, Micah? Iron Man?
It looks like Spider-Man a little. It looks like
You're making
Spider-Man.
Flash?
Yeah, I'm making Flash. Well, his eyes don't look good. No, not good. Not good. Not good.
Ready to flip?
Yes.
Not yet.
No, not yet. Who do you think is better?
Who do you think better than I is?
Leanna's ready to flip.
Leanna's foot?
I do not like.
Leanna's foot?
No, it's Hulk.
So you're
Venom.
saying that's Venom.
Yeah.
That's Venom.
About to flip.
3,
2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip. That looks like a minion who just. 3, 2, 1. That looks. Where are the eyes? And why does it look like a pizza?
First of all,
It doesn't have any eyes.
Look
or
at your
mouth.
foot. My thing
It's
is better
Hulk.
than your foot. Look at your
It's
foot.
Hulk.
It's not Hulk.
Micah.
Where's the eyes? Where's the eyes?
Where's your eyes?
Where's your eyes?
So where's her mouth and where's your mouth? And where's your eyes, Micah? I think I won that round. Yeah, Quentin won.
Quentin won that round.
You think won. Round 3. Quentin, you're first.
Hopefully I want cat.
Then Quentin, you have to
2,
spray.
1. Captain America.
Yes.
Alright. Hopefully I get cat. Wolverine. No, I already did all
Spin
of
again.
them.
Oh, but you didn't do Batman.
Spider-Man. Alright, Leanna, you go.
What do you do that? I'm gonna spray mine.
Flash.
Flash.
Alright, let's pan mine.
No. 3, 2, 1. Because so
Spider-Man's probably going to be a little easy for me.
Captain America is not going to be easy for me.
Guys, can't you wait to eat these?
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be so delicious. I'm probably gonna eat them in 30 seconds.
Are you sure about that?
Yep. Cause how greedy I am. I mean.
But then you
never
say
mind.
you're not greedy, like.
I mean, never mind. I'm not greedy.
Yes, you are.
Look at yours, Quentin.
Oh God.
Mine doesn't even look good. I'm gonna put some yellow into it, even though Spider-Man doesn't wear yellow. I'm just gonna put a little bit.
A little design.
Yeah. His dots. That's it. There we go.
What does mine look like?
And complete.
What does mine look like, Micah?
Yours looks like.
Look like an egg.
What did you get? You got Flash?
Yes.
Looks like the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. That's what it looked like.
How?
What is that, Quentin?
Oh, the neck. That's Captain America's shield.
That looks good.
And now some ribbon.
Captain America's
3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip.
Oh,
Why is it all green?
Because that's how it's been cooking. It's been cooking
For a long
That's
time.
why, yeah.
2, 1, flip.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, no, you just put them on.
Alright. Let's put that on. Love you.
The only ones I haven't used was, yeah, all of them. I used all of them. Round 4.
Let's Quentin's go.
I already.
Again.
Again.
Alright.
Okay. That's good for me. I'm a Power Ranger.
That's a Power Ranger. Alright, let's see how my pancakes.
3, 2,
Cowboy, please.
That
was a weak one.
Oh, Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
My turn.
I'm gonna need a lot of black for that.
Catboy.
Oh, come on! You gotta be kidding me! I wanted
Azul Power Ranger.
I wanted cat.
3. Well, I got your Cowboys.
Let me share that.
No, I'm not sharing
Alright,
that.
let's go. I'm still getting the button.
Okay. So the
I gotta make that
design
neck.
is like fast, like that.
Okay.
Now
Now I gotta do these things. Okay. And then, guys, I have to do this. Looks like it kind of looks like a sign like this. It kind of looks like a sign, right? Right, guys?
what?
It kind of looks like a sign. like
Yeah, the up.
And eyes.
I need some bread. Fill it. Wait, what's yours, Quentin?
A Power Ranger.
Oh. That's enough. None. Michael, what's yours again?
The Darth Vader.
That looks like an arrow that has eyes. That looks nothing like Darth Vader. Yeah, it looks like where's the thing in the middle of your forehead? Where's that? Those two lights.
They're right there.
They're all the way up there. Of course they
Just
are.
put stuff together. I'm gonna make legs.
Legs?
Yeah, he's gonna have big fat legs.
Wait.
He's gonna be a trumpet.
Look at my cat boy, Micah. Now he looks like an arrow with arms, with legs and eyes. What?
Fill in the middle.
Fill in the middle, Micah.
Alright, let's
Micah.
fill in the middle.
Fill in the middle. Looky in the middle. Eyes. That doesn't look like Darth Vader.
Yeah, ready to flip?
Yeah. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip.
Alright guys, this one.
We need to spray more Pam on it.
Don't touch the fire, kids.
Okay.
Remember, ask an adult for
Help.
to help you flip it. Because you might get burned.
And 5.
Alright, spin the wheel.
I
think you're gonna get Iron Man, probably.
I want to get Spider-Man.
Yeah, we'll spin again.
Spin again. Darth Vader.
Well,
Alright.
Venom. I got Venom, guys.
Spider-Man.
Alright, guys, let's start. What did I get again?
I got Spider-Man.
Venom, because we don't have purple. Okay. That.
How's he? He has a little bump on his head. 1, 2. And he has this. And he has this thing. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, guys. Now I'm going to fill in the skin with yellow.
It has these things. I can't make the spider webs.
There we go. And now I'm going to make the neck purple.
Michael, what did you get?
I got Venom.
Why is it yellow?
The skin. You know, he has like brownish skin. So I just
No, white skin.
pick that up. I don't care.
Look!
Oh, pick that up when you think so.
You okay? Little blue and blue. Right there. Quentin got
Darth Vader.
That's why they call him Darth Vader, because he's black. Dark. And dark. Okay, I think that's enough.
Alright.
He's just covering his whole body now. You can't see. That's not his body. That's his face. But didn't you make legs?
Eyes. Eyes.
Those are not his legs.
Ready to flip?
Yes.
Yes.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm ready to flip.
I just need to add his. I'm just gonna make.
What in the world is that? Spider-Man. That looks nothing like Spider-Man.
That's he has a small head.
3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip.
Oh, hello, big chungus.
3, 2, 1, flip.
Are you
The body came off. You need the body. You need to make the body. You need more thick, Micah. Tiny. Okay, you can stop, Quinton. 3, 2, 1, go. Flip. I fell off. Big Chungus, how you doing? I'm doing small Chungus. Quinton's is mostly black, and mine is like all the colors. I haven't used green in a while. Just for Hulk and yeah, that's it. Has anyone got that silver guy? No one got that. No, nobody. Because we didn't have silver.
Round 6. Quentin.
See,
I really want to get Catboy.
Spider-Man.
Again.
Spin again.
Wait a minute.
It's
Iron Man is spinning.
Iron Man.
Spins a little. Hopefully I get Catboy. Hold on this time.
Really might be happening. Wow.
Yes, I got what I wanted. All right, Leanne, it's your turn. Yes.
I got
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
All right, guys.
I got
let's
Iron
start.
Man.
Let's start, guys.
Let me put your pad on. Oh, that's enough. That's it. No, Iron Man. Okay, so. Okay, Micah, is this the head are you looking for?
Huh?
Okay, I need to go fast.
He's gonna have a big head. Oh no, I moved it a little.
Why is his eyes close to his mouth?
Go on.
It looks like a pumpkin, kind of.
Do that. Do that. And now for the eyes.
And now for the Iron Man part. Little bit. For some reason. Not a red. That looks like Bumblebee. Bumblebee is not red. Quentin,
That looks like Harry Potter.
Iron Man.
Looks like Harry Potter.
Yours is Iron Man. Oh.
Oh,
You look
gotta
Iron
fill
Man.
in Catboy.
So you got Iron Man? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but remember, it's a speed round. I'm done.
What?
I'm dead. There we go. I'm done. Let me see. Okay, now there's a mistake. Now it's done. Micah, what is that?
What is that? Looks like Chummy Buddy.
Micah, what is that? That looks like a blob of like. That looks like a blob. How does that look like Catboy?
Well, hold on.
Add the ears.
We got
add the ears here.
Hold on.
Mike,
Look at what's that?
Add
What's
the
that?
ears.
What's that? your Pancake Big Chungus because he just said something to me.
He's not Big Chungus.
He said it's me in Pancake World.
3, 2, 1, flip. Yes. 3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, flip.
Oh, look at that.
This is, I don't know who this is. I forget that. That's forget that.
Yeah, that was so cool.
Oh, look at Iron Man.
Mine is the best. I want this one.
No, I want this wrap. I want No, this is my plate. This is my plate with Iron Man, Darth Vader, Captain America, Power Ranger, Venom, and Wolverine.
My plate is with Wolverine, Flash, Spider-Man, Darth Vader, Catboy, and
Venom.
Venom.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.